Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yeah, good day, I go by the name Skyward. If you are seeing this video for the first time, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step method that I'm using to make this amount of money you can see on the screen at the comfort of my home. Yes, because with this method I'm going to be teaching you, you are going to be making money daily on ClickBank affiliate marketing or any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because this knowledge is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms. So in this video, if you are new to affiliate marketing is just a way of selling products for a company or for another individual and getting paid for every product to sell. For instance, on ClickBank or any affiliate marketing platform, there's a percentage for you from the actual amount you sold the product. So that is affiliate marketing. So there are many things to consider for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, and one of it is that you need a strong backup for your traffic system. Yes, traffic are people that are going to be accessing your affiliate product and are going to be buying your product. So in this in affiliate marketing, there are two major ways by which you can get people to access your product. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a method by which you pay people online. You can pay freelancers that are affiliate marketers. They can promote your products for you, or you can pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can pay them to create adverts for your products. Yes, so they create adverts for your product with some specific targets, maybe people that you want the adverts to reach, and locations, and you can set that also. But yes, so and we also have the free traffic system, which is the one I'm going to be showing you in this video, which is the one that has been earning me this amount of money on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students actually. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that he got my software, and you also have to display his account also. Yes, so my technique that I'm going to be showing you is that as a affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer. So I developed this software which I'll be using over time now, and that has been giving me excellent results. If you check through my videos, you will see several accounts of my students that I've set up and they are doing fine now. Yes, I have students around the world. Yes, I have students around the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you where my software. So my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate product or affiliate link to this organic targeted traffic for you to get commission. Yes, my software works by gathering targeted traffics that need your product. Yes, based on some findings, you have to do some. Everything is embedded in my video course. Yes, I've recorded a complete video course which will guide you step by step on how to go about that and start earning from the comfort of your home. Even as a beginner in affiliate marketing, you can earn this amount you can see on the screen. Yes, you can earn this amount. Yes, because in my video course is self-explanatory and it takes you step by step on how to go about it. So to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen now to get the software and my video course and get started. And I'm going to guide you step by step till you start earning. Yes, once again, I go by the name Skyward and I teach people on how to make money online. Thank you.